Hello, my name is Jake and I'm an engineer at Renishaw, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Mitsubishi GoProbe graphic user interface for M80 and M800 controls. Today we're going to cover how you can calibrate and use both the spindle probe and tool setter. To access the GoProbe interface, all you have to do is go to MBI, select the Edit Hard key, hit the Soft key, and then Interactive Cycle. From here, you can use both the spindle probe or tool setter very simply. If you want to use the spindle probe, select Probe, Measure, and select what kind of feature you want to use to set your work offset. If you want to use a bore, all you have to do is select Bore, enter in the diameter of the bore, the offset you want to establish, then hit the Fix button, and it shoots your code over to MBI. From here, all you have to do is handle the probe into the bore and run the cycle. Calibrating a probe can be difficult because you might not have to do it for a few months at a time, but the GoProbe interface will help you through that. To calibrate a spindle probe, all you have to do is select Probe, Calibrate, and answer what kind of feature you're going to use to calibrate the probe with. If you want to use a ring gauge, select Ring Calibration, and all you have to do is enter in the diameter, the stylus ball diameter, and that's pretty much it. Once you enter that, it'll send the code over to MBI and you can run calibration. To easily set tools using your wireless or hardwired contact tool setter, all you have to do is go to the tool set option, select Auto, enter in what kind of tool you're going to be using. For smaller diameter tools, you would select On Center. For larger diameter tools, Off Center. In this example, we'll just do an On Center tool set. Enter the On Center selection. Tell it the offset number you're going to be updating, say tool 10, hit Fix, and then the macros will position the tool above the tool setter, come down and measure the tool correctly. Another added benefit of using the GoProbe graphic user interface is having the ability to set your tools or even calibrate your tool setter. To use this option, select Tool Set, and if we want to calibrate, go to the calibration icon, enter in what kind of stylus you're using. Chances are it's going to be a round stylus. And enter in the stylus diameter, which is always going to be 0.5, the tool diameter you're using to calibrate, and then also the tool offset number. Ensure that the tool offset has the correct offset length already entered in it. Once you have this entered, hit Fix, and it'll send the code over to MBI, handle the master tool down above the tool setter, and run calibration. In this short walkthrough of the Mitsubishi GoProbe graphic user interface, we covered how easy it is to use the spindle probe and tool setter. If you have additional questions, please reach out to your local Renishaw dealer.